Good morning, everyone. Today I discussed a topic market structure. Here, what is the meaning of market? The simple word, the market is a place in which the goods and services are purchased and sold. In other words, market is a place where the buyers and sellers get gather in order to buy and sell the particular goods or commodities. So, in the economic term, the market does not mean the shops or established markets has no reference to the place, but a commodity which is being bought and sold. So, according to Philip Kotler, market is an atmosphere for potential exchange. It is one of the modern market definitions. Next, as the market structure refers to the number and size distribution of buyers and sellers in the market for goods and services. What are the components of the market? Consumer, seller, community as a commodity, price. These are the important components of the market. The classification of market. Classification of market can be classified on the basis of the place, time, competition. So competitions. First, as on the basis of the time. On the basis of the time means market time. Market can be classified into four types: local market, regional market, national market, and so the international market. So next, on the basis of time, very short period market, long period market, very long period market. On the basis of competitions or economy, market can be classified into perfect and imperfect market. The imperfect market can be classified into four types: monopoly market, duopoly market, oligopoly market, and monopolistic market. Here, as on the basis of types, on the basis of the place, market can be classified first as a local market. Local market refers to the business in particularly locality or villages where the demand and supply conditions are influenced by local conditions. Usually in this market, perishable goods like vegetable, milks, and also other commodities are brought and sold. Regional market is a type of market in that the market where the demand and supply conditions are influenced the regional people. Usually the food grains, electronic goods, cloth and other are brought and sold in that the market. National market is a type of market in where the demand and supply conditions are influenced by the nations. Means here the entire nation act as a market in that the market. So the goods, the durable goods like the valuables, vehicles, motor cars, refrigerators, electronic goods, and others are brought and sold. International market. According to that, so the world are as a global act as an market. Here as a the global market, the goods and services are exchanged like as a gold, silver, valuables, goods, the exports and also import goods are exchanged. Next, on the base of time, very short period market and long period market. Very short period market, there is no time available for adjustment of the demand according to the adjustment of supply according to the demand. So example as the time is not available. So in this market, as fruits, flowers, vegetables, and fish and like milk, butters are brought and sold. Good example for very short period market is a morning market or evening market. Short period market is a type of market in which the supply of commodity can be adjusted to the changes in the demand. Means little time is available for adjustment of a commodity according to the as a demand. According to the demand. Next, so example for short period market. So 1 day market, 2 day markets. So the weekly market. Next, the long period market is a type of market. In this market, sufficient time is available for adjustment of so as a supply according to the demand. Means sufficient time is available. Example as so the long period market is more than the 10 years in which changes in demand fully adjusted to the supply. Weekly market example as a weekly market. Very long period market. In this market sufficient time is available. This market also known as fixed market. Example so Janta Bazar, Chor Bazar, JC market, and also KR market and so on. These are the type of market on the basis of the time. On the basis of competition, perfect competition, competitive market, perfect competitive market is our market situation under which the number of buyers and sellers engage in buying and selling a homogeneous commodity at a uniform price. So according to the Marshall, the more as nearly perfect a market is, the stronger tendency for the same price to be paid for the same thing at the same time in all parts of the market. Means uniform price, uniform commodities, homogeneous commodities. What are the features of perfect market? First one is the existence of large number of buyers and sellers. Means in this market large number of buyers and sellers are existing in a buying and selling the goods and services. So is buying and selling homogeneous commodity, means homogeneous and identical product. So same size, same design, same colors are brought and sold. Next has a free entry and existing to the farm. In this another important feature, there is no restrictions for entry and also exist. So next has a perfect knowledge of the market conditions. People or consumers or customer have the knowledge about the market, total demand, total supply, price and price conditions and so on. Perfect mobility factors of productions like as M cube or M5. So is perfectly mobilized so in that the market. No transactions, transportation cost means absence of transportation cost. Here as the manufacturers bear all the expenses of transportation. Existence of single and uniform price in that the market generally as uniform price or single price or normal prices are fixed because the price is fixed on the basis of the force of demand and supply. Next, government non-interventions. Now the government is not So as in the market got interventions in the any other so the activities, full and unrestricted competitions. Perfectly competitive market is free from all the source of monopoly, duopoly, and oligopoly conditions. Since there are very large number of buyers and sellers, it is difficult to them to join together and from the cartels or other organizations. Uniform price or normal price, these are the important features of a perfect competition. Imperfect market conditions. Imperfect market conditions again classified into the four types: monopoly market, duopoly market, oligopoly market, and a monopolistic market. So first come to as a monopoly market. Monopoly market. So it is explained in the next class. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದು?